Let's look at the long black, also known as an Americano. Some say they're the same thing, while others insist that if you put the hot water in first, it's a long black, or if you put the espresso in first, it's an Americano. Whichever you prefer, here's how to make one. For this demonstration, I'm going with the hot water first. This machine, the Barista Pro, has a dedicated hot water outlet, so that makes things easy. Start by placing a cup or glass around 5 to 6 fluid ounces or 150 to 180 mils under the hot water outlet and fill to just above halfway, like this. Next, purge your group head and preheat your portafilter. Remove and then dry before grinding. Next, grind your freshly roasted beans and aim for around a 19-gram dose. Give the portafilter a few taps like this to settle the grounds before tamping on a flat, level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each time, then visually check the tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head, then extract the double espresso into the glass. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey. At this point, I recommend stirring to get a better integration of balanced flavors. I've aimed for a 2-to-1 ratio of espresso to water, but this will vary depending on your taste preferences. Enjoy.